Hey, I'm Apple and today I'm going to be doing a style with me video. So if you like this style, tune in to find out how I do it. Whether you have long hair or short hair, this style could work for you, and of course you can modify it for your length and to your liking. Stay tuned. in for the style with the me, I really love the basket weave technique, which you can use it to do a lot of different styles. I've done the basket weave since like the very beginning of my loc journey, so if your hair can crisscross, you can do the basket weave. And you can of course modify this style to suit the length you have. This is my first time ever using the basket weave in this exact way. Love how it came out. Sometimes I just think of a technique that I enjoy doing that's easy to do, and I stand in front of the mirror and I just create something. So that's what I did today. So thank you for tuning in. Let me know in the comment box below any other video ideas you want to see. Let me know also, would you try this style your length? Yes, thank you for everyone who has subscribed. Thank you for liking the video. Thank you for commenting and sharing, and I will see your beautiful faces in the next video.